Try not to apply too much pressure. It's always good to have a flat surface behind versus like multiple paper. It'll create bolder lines because you're pressing in the paper. Also, it also gets you familiar with the piece. Doing it straight by hand. Works in a straight line.
Yeah. Like, you know what a come now. That's all the other thing I got. Just coming up. But see, you always, but then you like, you always have to be doing something like that for people. That's why I be like, that's the feeling purpose. I want you to see my face so that this will always be.
Go with that. I missed that line, so I'm gonna make sure I come up a little bit. You see, it's definitely too low. So come up. And this kind of gives yourself an idea with them curves you're going to have to go through with the machine.
I'm still trying to find. Well, I just got a shit on.
And if you're a beginner, you might want to go ahead back and bowl in some of these lines up. But since I'm not really worried about that and I know what I'm doing, I'm going to go back in the tattoo and hit some of those bolder lines. I'm not going to do it in the stencil. I try to keep my stencil as clean as possible. In the tattoo, I'll bowl some of it up.
But then we got we're gonna have a pool game too. That's gonna be on my actual.
And that's why I say don't press down too hard either. Because you want your lines to remain thin. If you press down too hard, I'm going to show you what it'll look like. You see how bold that is? You don't want that bold. So you want that clean, thin look, you know? Clean, thin look, not too bold. And that's how I do my stencils. What up, MOA? Thank y'all for watching. That's how you do your stencil, you know?